Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you attempt to disassemble your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Your first step is to pull out the lint screen and remove the 2 screws near the opening. Next, insert a putty knife under the front of the main top to release the 2 spring clips, and rotate the top up. Disconnect the door switch wires and remove the top front panel screws. Now lift the panel up and out. If your model has 2 front panels, use a flathead screwdriver to release the lower panel from the retaining clips. If applicable, remove the 2 springs. Now loosen the 2 screws at the bottom of the upper panel and lift the panel off. Depress the pulley to release the belt tension and unthread the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. Now use the belt to lift out the drum. To reassemble your dryer, replace the drum by aligning its rim on the 2 support rollers. Insert the tension pulley into the slots in the base and loop the belt around the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help align the belt. If your model has a solid front panel, line up the drum with the front panel seal. Then align the slots with the retaining clips and press down the panel until it locks into place. If your model has 2 panels, align the slots in the upper panel with the screws while lining up the drum. Tighten the screws. If applicable, reinstall the 2 springs. And replace the lower panel by snapping it into position. Now, reinstall the 2 screws on top and reconnect the door switch wires. Rotate the main top back into place and press down on the front to secure the spring clips. Install the 2 screws at the lint screen opening. Replace the lint screen and plug the appliance back in.